So ayun, naputol na kasi 10 minutes. So ito, AI front desk, social AI replies, voice AI assistant. Yan muna ang tatlo. Itong perfect example niyan. Ito, ito yung website or sample website para sa isang dental clinic. Nandiyan mo ma-open mo to, tapos, uy, this is ba, professional website. Tapos gusto ko mag-inquire, tulog yung business owner kasi madaling. Meron ganun, chat or ano ba, dental district, allow natin. Oh,
Hey, you've reached Dental District.
allow.
Molino. How can I help you now?
Do you have an appointment tomorrow? Or are
Sure.
you open tomorrow?
Let me check the available slots for tomorrow. One moment.
Plano.
Just
Yun.
checking in. Would you like me to continue looking for available slots for tomorrow? Let me know.
Can you book me an appointment for 10 a.m. tomorrow, Friday, May 22?
Could could you let me know which service you'd like to book? For example, braces and aligners, veneers, dental implants, free consultation, teeth whitening,
Uh,
teeth cleaning,
just
or emergency dental care.
just a free consultation. Uy, narinig mo ba ako? Sabi ko just a free consultation.
For tomorrow, May 22nd, we have the following available slots for a free consultation: 8 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 12 p.m. Unfortunately, 10 a.m. isn't available. Would you like to go with one of these times?
Yeah, any of those. Just pick one.
Got it, Annie. Let's go with the 10:30 a.m. slot tomorrow, May 22nd. Does that work for you?
Yes.
Could you please provide your email address so we can send you the booking confirmation?
JAALEDSMA1204 @gmail.com.
You're all set, Annie. Your free consultation is confirmed for tomorrow, May 22nd at 10:30 a.m. A confirmation email has been sent to jolidism.a1204@gmail.com. If you need anything else, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So, ayun, di ba? May booking. Pag chinek ko yung email ko, ano, ayun, 2 days ago, dental clinic, di ba? It's a very professional looking, not just looking website, but also functional website. Tapos, oh, ayan. Meron sila iba-ibang ano. Kasi, di ba, tulad sa tattoo studio, may iba-ibang artist. So, yan. May artist na ganito. May kit. Pwede ka mag-book sa specific artist. So, ayun. Ano ba? Workflow automation. Yun. Yung mga automatic na may email na reminder, automatic na email pagka may appointment. Tulad nito, ginawan ko yun sa Tormentong. Kunwari, ito yung website. Sobrang branded siya. Ganyan, black and orange. Tapos, pagka punta ka sa marketing, yung mga emails is ganun din. Kasi may brand boards, may brand colors, o reminder, ganyan. Meron din siyang proper coloring. 4 to 5 minutes. Right. The ink session is 24 hours. Ganyan. Diba? Very professional and everything. Tapos, ano pa bang intelligent CRM system? Yung CRM kasi, ito yun. Yung opportunities or pipeline. So, new lead, consultation book, consultation completed, treatment started. Technically, ano lang siya, mino-monitor mo lang. Ano bang, halimbawa, dito, yung sample data. Ayun, yan. Ito, si ganito. Bagong lead lang siya. Hindi pa siya nakapag-book. Ayun. Tapos, technically, monitoring lang yun eh. Kasi gagawan ko rin naman ng automation na hindi mo na siya kailangang galawin. Click mo lang siya, titignan mo na lang. O i-open mo. May mga tags, yung lead, ganyan. So, pag kailangan mo siyang kausapin, o-open mo lang dito, conversations, ganyan. Technically, makikita mo rin dyan kung saan siya nag-initiate, saan siya kumontak, yan, kung sa voice pa. Ayun, intelligent CRM system, alam mo yan, ano pa bang, paano pa ba? Kasi diba, halimbawa sa mga Airbnb, ayan, yung mga booking system, mamomonitor, not necessarily kailangan nilang i-monitor, pwede na nga nilang pabayaan eh. Linis na lang pagka nag-out. So, ayun. Sana medyo nagigets mo yung